say hello to my little friend. That's right, my attack monkey. I found this guy at an antique store in Boone, North Carolina. Broken, $25. Brought him home. I've taken a look around inside and I've come up with a plan to make this monkey better than ever. Stick around. The first thing that I did was lubricate all of the gears and basically all the works inside. After lubricating everything, I used a power supply to provide the 3 volts that would have been created by the battery compartment, and he just started coming alive, banging those cymbals. I went ahead and grabbed some cheap parts off of Amazon to put this thing all together. First, I found a power supply laying around the shop here. It's a 12 volt power supply. So I got a 12 volt spotlight. I got a 12 volt flashing hazard light. I found this little crate. I've been holding on to it, not knowing exactly what I could do with it. Perfect little box. So I will build him a little platform for it and let him sit on top of the little platform. I want him to sit like this, right? Right? And then this guy, I'm going to drill a hole here. I'm going to stain this top piece. I'm going to drill a hole in the back for the switch. And then we'll get it wired up. IEC in there. I think I want the monkey to sit up top. This little guy. to Lowe's and I got a motion activated switch. Now I've got this beautiful outlet right here. I cleaned up the wiring in here, but basically comes in through the IEC. There's a fuse in the IEC. The hot runs out to the switch here, then it runs into the motion switch, and then it comes back out and is joined up with everything that's pulling 120 volts. I found this portable tape player on Amazon for about $25, and I'm loading it up with monkey sounds from Epidemic Sound. That way, when the switch is triggered via motion, the tape player will start playing back. This thing has built-in speakers, so it's just gonna start screaming.